Hi, everyone. I am Nora. Today, I am going to talk to you about my family. I will speak slowly and clearly, making this lesson ideal for beginners and A2 level students. Ready? Let's begin. I come from a small, happy family. There are four of us: my father, my mother, my brother, and myself. We all live together in a simple, comfortable home. My father is a tall, strong man. He is 50 years old and works in an office. Every morning, he gets up early to drink a cup of coffee and read the newspaper. He drives to work. In the evenings, he enjoys watching television or reading. Sometimes he gives me advice. He is a very kind and patient person. My mother is a caring woman. She is 48 years old. Although she isn't very tall, she has a lot of energy. She works from home and also looks after our family. She cooks great food every day, usually rice, vegetables, and soup. On weekends, she bakes cakes or bread. She also loves gardening, so there are many plants and flowers around our house. She is a warm person who is always smiling. My brother is younger than me. He is 20 and studies computers at university. He likes playing football with his friends. They often go to the park on weekends. At home, he enjoys playing video games. He is smart and funny, and sometimes he helps me fix my phone or laptop. I am the oldest child. I am 25 years old. I have an office job from Monday to Friday. I enjoy reading, listening to music, and cooking simple dishes. I also love learning new things. On weekends, I spend my time with my family. In the morning, we typically have breakfast together and discuss our plans for the day. We often laugh and tell little stories. At night, we usually have dinner together. It's a happy time where we talk about work, school, and daily life, sharing our thoughts and feelings. On Sundays, we often go to see our grandparents. They live in a small town nearby, so we drive there to spend the day. My grandmother prepares delicious food, and my grandfather tells us stories from the past. It is always a special moment. My family means a lot to me. They offer me love and support. When I am tired, they help me feel strong again. When I am happy, they smile with me. I am grateful for them every single day. That is my family. How about yours? Can you describe your family in English? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe for more simple English lessons.